Alright, 1.6, number 57 says, a weight is suspended on a vertical spring as shown in the accompanying figure. The weight is set in motion and its position x on the vertical number line in the figure is given by the function x equals 4 sine t plus 3 cosine t, where t is time in seconds. Question A, find the initial position of the weight, its position at time t equals 0. So let t equal 0 and let's find x. So 4 sine 0 plus 3 cosine 0. Well, what's the sine of 0? 0. Since you have this memorized for your quiz you just took. Sine of 0 is 0 times 4 is 0. What's the cosine of 0? 1, so 3 times 1. So that's 4 times 0 plus 3 times 1, which equals 3. So the initial position, it just lists as 3. It doesn't give us like feet or inches or anything like that. Okay. Question B. Find the exact position of the weight at time t equals 5 pi 4th seconds. So for B, we let t equal 5 pi 4th seconds, and we plug that in. So x equals 4 sine of 5 pi 4ths plus 3 cosine 5 pi 4ths. So since it's a pi 4ths angle, pi 4ths is always a square root of 2 over 2 ratio. However, 5 pi 4ths is located in which quadrant? Jordan, what quadrant is 5 pi 4ths in? Third quadrant. So tell me about the sine and cosine in the third quadrant. They are negative. So x equals 4 times the negative square root of 2 over 2, because it's a pi 4th, so 45-degree reference angle. That means the ratio is square root of 2 over 2, but because it's third quadrant, it's negative. And then plus 3, and then the cosine of 5 pi 4ths is also negative square root of 2 over 2. Do you see why you need to memorize this stuff? Because you're going to just keep using it in things like this all semester long. And it's so much better if you have these memorized. Even if you just have the 0 to 90 memorized and then you do this to find the final answer, right? Okay, so then let's multiply this through. So we'll have negative 4 square root 2 over 2 plus a negative 3 square root 2 over 2, which gives us a final answer of negative 7 square root 2 over 2. So what does the negative mean for our displaced spring? If this is distance, why is it negative? Or is it actually distance or is it position? Position. So what does the negative mean for the spring that's oscillating up and down? So it would be probably downward in a negative position as opposed to upward in a positive position, correct? And 0 would be the middle. This will probably make more sense today when we start doing section 2.1. So this is kind of a preview to section 2.1. That's kind of how I feel about it. Okay.